LIT is designed as a modular signaling device. This allows you to create your personal combination of segments and their signaling colors and patterns. Multiple combinations assure an enormous degree of flexibility and signal options. The first step to configure your LIT is to choose a LIT base controller. The base controller is each LIT's fundamental element. It serves as the connection and control element. There are 3 different base controllers to choose from: the standard LIT base controller in black or aluminum color and the aluminum base controller wall mount. This version is designed to attach your LIT directly to walls or other vertical surfaces. Every base controller is equipped with automatic color segment recognition, individual control inputs for each color, and reverse polarity protection. Also, it has a mini USB port. This allows users to individually program each color segment's light and flash pattern via software. To learn more about the free LIT Lighthouse software, please check out a separate video. Place the LIT segments of your choice on top of the base controller. Therefore, you can choose between 11 different options. LIT color segments are available in 5 colors and 2 different heights: 27 mm and 41 mm. It doesn't matter which heights or colors you combine. Feel free to create exactly the combination you need in any order. You can even choose multiple segments of one color and let them light up simultaneously to strengthen the signaling effect. To add the different segments is very easy. There's no need for any tools. Thanks to rugged bayonets, LIT segments can be combined within seconds. The correct position to connect bayonet catches is marked with a little arrow on both segments that you want to connect. All electronic and connecting parts are hidden inside. This gives the entire LIT signaling device an extremely clean and elegant look. Combine up to 5 different color segments in any order. In addition, you can put one sound segment on top. To further customize your LIT, you can choose between different flash patterns and set the brightness for each segment individually. To do so, please use the LIT Lighthouse software, which can be downloaded from our website for free. We describe this software in a separate video. Every LIT segment comes with its own flash memory. Whenever you swap segments, all LIT segments keep their program pattern. To give your LIT a smooth finish, use the cover cap, which is part of the delivery of the base controller. Use some pressure to fix the cover cap to your LIT's top segment. Easily remove the cap with a sharp blade whenever you want to rearrange your LIT signaling device. There are plenty of options to create your personal LIT.